today's video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review on VR games Quest 2 and Quest 3. Start by going to the Meta store at meta.com and look for that specific game in which you would like to leave a review into. So, say for example, in my case, it's Roblox, so simply click on the game. Then, next on the game's store page, scroll down to the reviews section. Make sure that you own and have played the game that you want to review. For Quest only lets you review titles you've installed and launched. Now, in the ratings and reviews section, you should see a button that says write a review or leave a rating. So, all you have to do is click on that. Next is choose a star rating, write your feedback, and hit the submit button. Once done, your review will then be posted for others to see. Now, if you don't see the review button, it could be due to a temporary glitch or because you haven't played the game enough yet. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!